Greetings, data enthusiasts. Welcome to another thrilling episode of Mastering Time Series Forecasting with Freepik Math. Today we embark on an exciting journey to unravel the mysteries of predicting the future using the power of data.
So I've been seeing more and more of these videos on YouTube that say something like, I created an AI clone of myself to talk to my family members, or to replace me at work for a day, or to talk to my YouTube viewers. And I had to try my hand at it as well. The super scary part about this whole process was just how easy it was to do. Now don't get me wrong, what you just saw is not gonna fool any person who's actually watching the video. And to be fair, if I put a little bit more time and effort into it, it would just get better and better and better. But for the amount of time it took, from knowing nothing about doing this to getting a video like that out there, took me just about 30 minutes. The quality of that product is not bad. And for people who are just casually watching these videos, honestly, sadly, might suffice. Creating this whole thing just led to this existential dilemma for me, where it made me start thinking about what is the future of YouTube videos. But before we go down a crazy rabbit hole there, let me walk you through exactly how I created this in just 30 minutes. There was basically just 3 steps needed in order to get this to work. We needed to first create the script for the video using AI. Then we needed to emulate or mimic my voice using AI to read that script. And finally, given that recording, we needed some kind of way to plug my face in there and get it to move in a human-like way to seem like someone is actually presenting that, again, using AI. The first part, getting the script written using AI, well, you probably already saw this coming, but we're gonna use ChatGPT. So what I asked ChatGPT was write a YouTube video script about time series from Freepik Math. Now, as it turns out, unlike other YouTubers who have tried prompts like this, ChatGPT actually has no idea who I am. And so the exact style and narration going on in the script is not anything I would actually say, so we're gonna leave that aside for now. But if we get into the meat, if we get into the content of the script generated itself, I could find no factual inaccuracies. Stylistically, it was a little bit surface level and doesn't go too deep into actually what time series are and some of the considerations you could actually care about. But for a basic intro script for a video that's about time series for someone who's never heard of them before, this is pretty good. It walks us through all the major steps about time series, like collecting the data, where you might get it from, cleaning the data, including specific things you need to think about when cleaning time series data, the different models you can use, from ARMA models to LSTM models to other ones, and actually making the predictions, to even one step further about updating the models as more information comes in. It was scary comprehensive, and something that with a little bit of editing could be something I would use myself for a future video. So we got the script down. Next we needed to clone my voice. And to do this, I used an online tool called 11 Labs, where I simply just provided audio samples of myself from previous videos in order to make it learn how I speak and create new text that I had never actually said before. Even as I said that, it just sounds scary and very ethically interesting. Now, this led to okay results. Here, take a listen for yourself.
Greetings, data enthusiasts. Welcome to another thrilling episode.
So when thinking about improving this, I was watching videos of other people trying to do the same thing. And it turned out the inspiration to make this better came from, of all places, Mission Impossible 3, where one character is trying to emulate the voice of another character and has that character read what's called a panphonic poem, which is a short poem that contains every single consonant and vowel in the English language. In order for this thing to learn very efficiently and quickly exactly how you would say very different sounds, in order to put those sounds together to say things that you've never said before. And after I gave it that panphonic poem recording for myself, things got a lot better. Here, take a listen again.
Greetings, data enthusiasts. Welcome to another thrilling episode of Mastering Time.
Right? So we got the script, we got an audio recording of the script said by a robot version of myself. Now we need to bring the video element in. And for this I used a tool called DID, where I provided a picture of myself, fed in that audio recording from 11 Labs, clicked generate, and moments later, this thing came into existence.
Greetings, data enthusiasts. Welcome to another thrilling episode of Mastering Time Series Forecasting with Freepik Math. Today we embark on an exciting journey to unravel the mysteries of predicting the future using the power of data. Get ready to dive deep into the world of time series forecasting. Time series data is all around us, from stock prices and weather patterns to website traffic and sales figures. It captures the evolution of a variable over time, and allows us to understand trends, patterns, and make accurate predictions. Let's unlock the secrets together.
Not gonna lie, it gives me the creeps. I don't know what to make of it, but in more serious terms, it does bring up some real questions about the future of YouTube videos, given this technology is just so easy to use. Again, that took me half an hour. And that video, if I wanted to create it in reality, would take me a couple hours to create, from ideation of the script, to filming the actual video, getting all the filming equipment set up and everything, to actually editing the video. This was able to be created, now that I know how to use it, in probably 15 minutes or so. But then you think about the negative side. There are loyal viewers of this channel who just would not be satisfied with a final product like that. It's just too weird, it just doesn't look right, and even if I were to have improved it with better audio recordings or a better script or something that looked a little bit more human on the video side, it still wouldn't be quite right. It wouldn't be the same as the human content I'm delivering now. And I love those viewers, and I really love thinking about that. But there's the other, I would argue, majority of people who watch not just my YouTube videos, but all YouTube videos, who are more just casual viewers. It shows up in your recommendations. Maybe you throw it on while you're washing your dishes or cooking some food. Maybe you're not even watching the video, you're just listening to the audio. For those viewers, I wonder, would this be enough? Would they really care if it was a human delivering the information versus one of these robot video audio clones of a human being? If that's enough for them, and YouTubers pick up on the fact that they can get these videos out a lot quicker and a lot more efficiently, get a lot more views, get a lot more money, and appeal to that wide, massive audience who maybe, we're hypothesizing here, doesn't care so much about the fact whether it's a real person or an AI, then it seems like that's the direction the world would go. And I'm imagining here a world full of no real YouTubers, no one actually delivering content to you, no humans online needed, but just AI representations, AI voices and videos and scripts written by AIs, emulating human beings. I really have no idea what's going to happen with this tech, whether we're going to settle on using it, mass using it, or whether people just don't find it quite right and rely on their human YouTubers to actually bring them the content, entertainment, and information they need. But if anything, this process was just enlightening in the sense of what's possible, where things are at, and where things might be going.
Thanks for watching, like, and subscribe for more videos just like this, and I'll see you next time.